Is your Sceptre monitor stuck in a frustrating boot loop, continuously flashing the logo? This increasingly common issue affects thousands of users worldwide. This boot loop problem particularly affects E-series monitors, C-series curved displays, and gaming-focused models with higher refresh rates. The symptoms are unmistakable. Continuous logo flashing every 3 to 5 seconds, black screens with intermittent logo appearance, or complete failure to reach normal display mode. To understand where the failure occurs, we need to examine the normal monitor boot process. This involves 5 key stages: power on self-test, firmware loading, input detection, display calibration, and finally normal operation mode. The root causes are primarily hardware-related, accounting for 70% of cases. This includes capacitor degradation in power supply circuits, EEPROM corruption, and mainboard component failures. Software-related issues account for the remaining 30%, including corrupted firmware files, driver conflicts, and EDID corruption requiring factory resets. Manufacturing quality data reveals concerning statistics. 8 to 12% of Sceptre monitors experience boot loop issues within the first 18 months, with peak failure rates occurring between 6 to 8 months after purchase. Now we'll explore practical solutions to fix your Sceptre monitor boot loop, organized by complexity and success rates. Start with these immediate steps that require no technical expertise. Power cycle your monitor with a full 30-second disconnect. Test different HDMI cables and input sources. Perform a factory reset using button combinations, and check for available firmware updates. If immediate steps fail, intermediate solutions require technical knowledge. These include component-level diagnostics using specialized equipment, voltage testing of power supply rails with a multimeter, and EEPROM data verification to check firmware integrity. Advanced repairs offer the highest success rates but require professional expertise. Capacitor replacement addresses power supply issues with a 78% success rate. EEPROM chip replacement achieves 92% success for firmware corruption. Complete mainboard replacement provides 98% success but costs more. Here's a cost-benefit analysis of repair options. DIY firmware fixes are cheapest but have low success rates. Professional capacitor replacement offers good value with moderate success. EEPROM replacement has the highest success rate for component-level repairs, while buying a new monitor guarantees a solution but costs the most. Sceptre is implementing improvements including enhanced quality control, extended warranty coverage for boot loop issues, diagnostic software tools, and proactive firmware updates. These changes should reduce future boot loop occurrences and make troubleshooting easier for users.